Hi, I'm Kaya from Lumos Learning. In this self-service training video, I'll guide you through your Lumos Learning admin account. Here are the key topics we'll cover. Dashboard overview. Understand student and teacher activities at a glance. Assigning online practice tests. Reporting tools. Track progress and make data-driven decisions. Account management. Efficiently manage teacher and student accounts, customize proficiency levels, and support IEP features. Professional development. Leverage the Knowledge Assistant for staff resources. Getting support. Access help and technical support when needed. By the end of this video, you'll have the knowledge to simplify your administrative tasks and enhance outcomes at your school. Feel free to pause or revisit sections as needed. Pro tip: this training will be most effective if your teachers and students are actively using the Step Up program. Let's start by reviewing the dashboard. This section gives you a quick snapshot of student and teacher activities, helping you stay on top of school performance at a glance. If you manage multiple schools, you can view all activities on one screen and set custom date ranges to track specific time periods. Use the school selection drop-down to review data for a school of your choice. As you explore the dashboard, you'll be able to track student proficiency, compare current proficiency levels with past state test scores and state and district averages, top and bottom performing classes, identify where interventions or celebrations are needed. Teacher engagement. View the most active teachers using the program. Total login sessions and lessons. Monitor how often the program is being used by both students and teachers. User engagement. Quickly see who's actively participating and who might need additional support. Session activity trends. Spot usage trends over the academic year for data-driven planning. With these insights, you'll have a comprehensive overview of student and teacher performance, allowing you to make informed decisions. Next, let's dive into the My Program section. Here, you'll find the table of contents, which includes 2 full-length practice tests and standards-aligned digital workbooks organized by domain and lesson. Use the search pane for quick access and easily switch between grades and subjects using the drop-down menu. Each domain and lesson features action buttons. Assign. Share tasks with specific students or groups. Preview. Review content before assigning it. Info. Get a quick overview of available resources. Pro tip: coordinate with teachers to avoid overlapping assignments for students. The 2 full-length practice tests mirror the rigor, content, and format of your state assessment, helping reduce test anxiety and boost student confidence. You and your team can also leverage the beginning of the year assessment to address summer learning loss and set a solid foundation for the school year. Additionally, access to over 1,000 standards-aligned items per grade and subject, along with more than 15 technology-enhanced item types for creating custom formative assessments, warm-ups, exit tickets, DNAs, unit tests, or homework assignments, all tailored to your students' needs. You may occasionally find released items from prior year assessments. Your teachers might be doing the majority of the assignments via the teacher portal. However, some schools and districts find it beneficial to assign benchmark assessments via the admin portal for consistency, speed, and improved progress tracking. To assign a practice test, click on the Assign icon. In the assignment creation screen, enter a title and description, then select the relevant sections and students from the drop-down menu. You can assign tasks to individual students, groups, or the entire class, whatever works best for you. For added customization, use the advanced assignment options to tailor assignments further. Once everything is set, click Assign to finalize. Pro tip: for practice tests, we recommend sticking with the default advanced assignment settings. If you are making the assignment via the admin portal, please proactively communicate with your teaching staff to prevent duplicate assignments. The Admin Portal provides powerful reporting tools to track student progress and support data-driven decisions. You can easily access these insightful reports via the Reports module in the left-hand menu. For example, the Benchmark report helps track student proficiency across periodic assessments like mid-year and end-of-year practice tests. This report identifies learning gaps and supports instructional adjustments, enabling longitudinal progress tracking. By comparing results over time, you can measure student growth, assess the effectiveness of interventions, and ensure that instructional changes are driving improvement. It aids in data-driven decision-making, helping you allocate resources effectively and monitor progress toward academic goals, ultimately boosting test readiness. Another valuable tool is the Lesson Analysis Report, which provides a detailed breakdown of student performance on specific lessons, helping you identify students who need additional support. For example, when reviewing the results of a 5th grade math practice test, the Lesson Analysis Report shows the correct answer percentage for each question, individual student responses, and overall scores. If Samuel Benjamin, for instance, scores the lowest and gets most answers wrong, this insight highlights that Samuel needs extra support to address his learning gaps. By clicking on his incorrect answers, you can view the specific questions he missed and the correct answers. This helps you and your teachers pinpoint areas where Samuel and others like him are struggling, allowing you to provide targeted interventions. Real-time data like this ensures that your teachers can align their instruction with each student's needs to drive more effective learning outcomes. Additional reports include teacher proficiency. See how classes are performing under each teacher. Proficiency standards. Monitor student progress against state standards. Teacher activity. Track staff engagement with the program. Resource usage. Discover the most utilized tools by students and teachers. All reports are downloadable in PDF or Excel format for easy sharing and deeper analysis. Manage teacher and student accounts effortlessly with the My Teachers and My Students modules. In the My Teachers module, review all teachers with access to the program and reset passwords when necessary. In the My Students module, monitor student activity and access progress reports. You can also invite parents to stay involved by creating parent accounts, allowing them to track their child's progress. Pro tip: if you are using Clever or ClassLink single sign-on, please refrain from creating teacher and student accounts through this portal. You can customize your school's proficiency thresholds by navigating to My Profile and adjusting the slider for partially proficient, proficient, and advanced proficient categories. These thresholds will automatically update in all reports. For example, 0 to 50 is partially proficient, 50 to 70 is proficient, and 70 to 100 is advanced proficient. You can also allow or restrict teachers from overriding proficiency scores in the config section. For students with IEPs, you can toggle specific features in the config menu to ensure their educational plans are properly supported. Lumos Learning supports the following IEP features. Text-to-speech. A student can use this feature to hear audio of item content. Zoom. Enlarge the size of text and graphics on screen. Reverse contrast. Reverses the text and background colors. Grayscale color. Changes the screen to black and white or gray monochrome. Answer eliminator. Cross out incorrect answer choices. Finally, you can use the Knowledge Assistant tool to streamline your school's or district's professional development initiatives. Store and organize videos, PDFs, and audio files into easily accessible catalogs, allowing your staff to access training materials on demand. Teachers can also share resources with students, enriching classroom instruction and promoting a collaborative learning environment. The Knowledge Assistant boasts a range of powerful features, including searchable content library. Quickly find relevant materials using simple keyword searches. Automatic video transcription ensures accessibility for all staff. Summaries and table of contents makes video navigation effortless. Closed captioning and Q&As, enhancing understanding and engagement. Commenting capability fosters collaboration among your team, allowing teachers to leave comments, ask questions, and share insights directly on training resources for continuous dialogue. Pro tip: many schools use Knowledge Assistant for teacher training, video coaching, and evaluations. You can also issue custom certificates for completed professional development sessions, helping recognize and track staff achievements. For a detailed walkthrough of the Knowledge Assistant, feel free to reach out to our support team. Important note: you can access and share all 3 self-service training videos, including the Overview, Teacher Portal, and Admin Portal videos, directly from your Knowledge Assistant catalog. If you ever need assistance, simply click the Help icon on the home screen. Here's how you can get the support you need. Access how-to videos for quick guidance. Browse our frequently asked questions for immediate answers. Request a callback to speak with our student success specialists directly. Reach out via email to send us your queries, and we'll respond promptly. For any technical issues, use the Report an Error option located at the bottom of each screen in the Admin, Teacher, and Student portals. Simply click it, describe the issue, capture or upload a screenshot if necessary, and click Submit. We're here to help. Let's quickly recap what we've learned in this video. Accessing the dashboard for a snapshot of student and teacher activities, assigning online practice tests to your students, tracking student progress with insightful reports, managing accounts for teachers and students, leveraging the Knowledge Assistant for professional development, getting help and support when needed. Thank you for watching, and we hope you now feel more empowered to navigate your admin portal effectively. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. We're confident that Lumos Learning's comprehensive program will be a game changer in preparing your students for the upcoming state assessment.